Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. There is a lot of similarities and some differences between the pandas and SQL. A pandas is called a library inside the Python which is used for data manipulation and analysis. And SQL is a language for managing and querying a relational database. Now you can see the similarity, both used for data analysis and querying the structured data. Both are used for the data wrangling, data analysis on top of a structured data. The second one you can see the pandas, it has been written in Python and SQL has a query language. The difference is the syntax and environment. And pandas work with the data frame and SQL work with the tables that are stored in a databases. And as you know, data frame are tables which is nothing but the tabular data containing the rows and columns. And where this data frame stores inside the memory, that is nothing but the RAM. And where these tables will be stored, they are stored on a disk inside the database. And it will run from the local machine in case of an pandas and runs on the database server in case of an SQL. And it should be Python based syntax and it is called as a declarative use. This you can see it on this one, and it is the a difference of a syntax. And if you see the performance, fast for small and medium data sets, and typically the pandas use the wide format, and for the large database which will be having the narrow tables, it's a large data set, and they are telling SQL is better for big data scalability. And for join and merge, we try to use the merge, and in case of an SQL it's related to a join. They try to do the same thing. Filtering, you can use the where in SQL, and we can use the condition inside the pandas. Aggregation is a group by and aggregate, and inside the SQL, group by sum count, that are all aggregative functions. And sort values inside the pandas and ordered by inside the SQL. And null values fill NA and drop NA will be there inside the pandas. Null is null will be there in a SQL. And Python NumPy data types, it will be integer, float, object, string, datetime. Similarly, integer, float, varchar or char, date will be data types inside the SQL. Integration, it will go with the Python, and integration SQL will go with BI tools. And learning curve, easier for Python developer and easier for data analysis, which is who are familiar with databases, and that depends upon the background and how you can do the query filter. You can do it on this one. Now it is the time to take one of the query and see how you can do with the pandas. And this is the lead code number 181, employees earning more than managers. So write a solution to find the employees who can earn more than their reporting managers. The very important thing is their reporting managers. And return the result table in any order, and you can click this one and you can go and read more about there. Here also you can see the SQL schema will be there, pandas schema will be there. You can execute by pandas or you can execute various SQL flavors, MySQL, MySQL Server, and PostgreSQL, Oracle, and pandas. Now it is the time to come over here. Now you can see the pandas schema and copy this one, and I have pasted here. And import pandas as a PD. Now you can see each row I am representing like as in a list. So each row I am representing, say 1 Joe 70,003, I am representing like a list. Each row I am representing like as in a list inside the list. And pd.data frame, data is the input, column names and data types I have given, and I'm running this one. Now I want to find the names of an employee who earns more than managers. So now Joe is reporting to the Sam. Sam is getting 60K. Joe is getting 70K. So the answer will be the Joe. Next one is Henry. Henry is getting 80K, and who is reporting to the Max? You can see who is getting 90. So the manager is getting more than. So only now if you see the Sam is not reporting to anyone, Max is not. So this we can skip, and between 1 and 2, what will be our answer? Either Joe or Henry or both of them and none of them. So based on this condition, how we are going to do? The first one is pd.merge, which is equivalent to the join inside the SQL. You can see employee, left key is called manager ID, right key is called ID, and how you need to merge. In case of an SQL, we call it as a join, that is a left suffixes we have created like this. Now I am executing this one. You can see it on the screen. Joe is reporting to manager ID is 3, and whose name will be the Sam, whose salary will be the 60,000 or 60K. Henry is getting 80K, is reporting the 4. 4 is nothing but the Max, who is getting the 90K. So now what I have done, DF of a salary is greater than their salary of their manager. So that is a condition I have put it. Then after the condition, I want to get the names, and that name I'm renaming as a column name as an employee. You can see the employee. If you're not doing this one, you can give it print. Here it's also temp underscore df. You can see the name, column name as a name I converted to the employee. So with this one, we come to the end. So this is nothing but the self join, and we have done with the left. So for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we try to meet in the next video. Thank you very much.